Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Canada. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser and here in the search bar, simply search for PayPal countries. Now here you will see the first link of a list of countries and currencies. So you need to simply click on it. Now here you need to just scroll down and here in the American continent, you will find Canada. So you need to simply click on it and then you will be landed on the Canadian URL of PayPal. Basically, it is the URL or the home page of Canada. So you need to simply click on the sign up option here and then you will be landed on this page where it will ask you whether you want to open a personal account or a business account. Select the one which you want to open and click on get started. On the next page, you need to again change your country. So click on this drop down menu and from this given list, you will have to simply select Canada. Now, after doing so, you will have to simply provide your email address and then on the next page, you need to provide some of your personal details. That includes your first name, your last name, your phone number, your card details, your bank details. Then create a strong password for your PayPal account so that you would be able to log in into it. This way, you need to fill out the simple form to create your account on PayPal in Canada. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.